Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. And starting off with the Euro USD. So we had the break of the structure, and the structure that we had was either, you can call it what you want, a range or a flat top triangle, it doesn't really matter. But that's kind of the structure. We're looking for the pullback onto structure, and that's kind of in this area here at 113.765. I haven't quite got there yet. Does look like we're forming some form of a double bottom here. There's no structure to the left, so I would prefer a deeper pullback. I'm looking for something back in this area at 113.765. If price can get back in here and we can start forming this kind of price action on that level, I'm definitely looking for longs, and we're looking for another test of these highs at least. But we need to wait for that structure before anything happens. So that's quite simple there. Moving on to US dollar Japanese yen. Kind of a similar scenario at the moment. Don't want to be chasing the shorts at the moment. If you look at the grouping of the oscillators at the moment and how far down we've come, so looking a little bit oversold. I'm looking for a pullback onto structure before looking at selling this, and that would be quite high up. If we get down to the hour, you can see it's actually even higher than that. That's the area we're paying attention to, 115.035. I just focus on 115 to be quite honest. That's the area we need to pay attention to. Look to the left, there are some micro levels. There's one right here. So if we can get back below that and form a base, then we're looking for something to the downside. But there's also the possibility that it's going to reverse the downward trend of the last couple of days and sort of form a base. So pay attention to, not that, sorry. Let's just get this right. Okay, so there is structure here at 114.143. I would expect a pullback to there at least. If that holds and we start moving to the upside again, then Friday's little sort of double bottom is in play. Let's just put that one in as well, making the charts really messy. So you're looking for a pullback onto 114.143, or even better, 113.981. You're looking for structure on one of those levels, and then you're looking for another move to the upside. I would expect 114.382, and then also 500 odd points. Well, come and test the exact highs where we are now again. That's kind of the view I've got now. If we form a base here and we start moving and don't go all the way down to the double bottom, then I would expect us to be tagging this area here at 115.035 or 115 dead. So that's kind of the short-term view that I have at the moment, and then we'll have to wait and see what happens there. Moving on to British pound Japanese yen. We did break the range to the downside, but in my view at the moment, all that it's really done is starting to build a flag of sorts. So that's basically a bit of a megaphone, but strong move up, consolidation. Look at my oscillators on the 8 hour. This is still in a very strong uptrend. So what you're looking for is structure, and if you look at Friday, you can see big down, big up. Oscillators are grouped to the upside with a bit of diversion, so I would expect a pullback, and that pullback should come back down to here to 156.031, and then see if we can start moving to the upside. Basically, I'd be looking for a break of Friday's high, so 156.543. Get above, form a base, then I'm looking for a move to the upside. But ultimately, we're looking for a break somewhere up here at 157.700. Oh, sorry, 157.670. That's the area that we're definitely looking. We get a break above that, then we've got a longer term trend starting to brew. So that is consolidating. We need to just wait for that to play out. Lastly, Euro British pound. You can see we are still very much in this range that we've been in for 2 weeks, and haven't really broken through 0.83371. Remember, that is a massive weekly and monthly level, sort of an area of support. So it is going to be tough breaking through that. And at the moment, this is a no-go for me. You can see sideways, complete confusion, big up, big down, to like most of the currencies at the moment, not really trending. So we need to wait this out for a break, whichever way it's going to break, whether it's the downside or the upside. You need to wait for this one. So nothing worth trading, especially when you see all these tails like this. That looks like barbed wire, and not something that I enjoy trading or even want to bother trading. In amongst the moving averages, all the tails up and down, lots of confusion. So anyway, that's kind of my view at the moment. Hope it helps, and we will catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.